Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Evi Vidinila. Now I take an MBA class in SBM ITB, and this moment I will present my final exam about economic and business landscape analysis, especially the effect of oil prices to Indonesia's economy. This is my outline presentation. The first about background, and then inflation, rate impact, sectoral impact, GDP annual growth impacts, trade and balance, government revenue and expenditure, suggestion, and conclusion. Okay, now about oil industry. Oil industry provide the biggest world's energy consumption. Oil is a critical global industry, providing energy and feedstock for numerous products. Nearly all sectors, industry, transportation, agriculture, and housing, rely heavily on this fossil fuel for their energy needs. For instance, industries use oil as a raw material and an energy source. Transportation sectors depend on fuel for vehicles. Agriculture uses oil-based products for machinery and irrigation, and households need oil for cooking and heating. Oil prices are known for their volatility, influenced by a range of factors such as geopolitical tensions, supply-demand dynamics, and technological advancements. Indonesia, being a major player in the oil market, has an economy that is significantly affected by this fluctuation. In this presentation, we will explore how these prices change impact different aspects of industry economy. Nowadays, Indonesia is the world's fourth most populous nation and fourth largest economy in terms of purchasing power parity. The economy of Indonesia grew by 5.05% in 2023, despite global challenge. Indonesia heavily relies on oil for transportation and electricity, with 34.38% of its energy from crude oil. The table above, and this is, show that Indonesia need for oil consumption is always higher than what it could produce. A consequence of this situation is that Indonesia turned into a net oil importer in 2004 due to the growing population, an expanding middle class, and a growing economy. The domestic demand of oil is increasing continuously. In comparison to the high consumption level, unfortunately, the domestic production of oil in Indonesia still doesn't meet the needs. In 2022, Indonesia imported around 10.1 billion US dollar in crude oil, the 22nd largest globally. As a net importer, global oil price hikes rise import costs, affecting national budget, economic stability. Changes in oil prices can have direct effect on Indonesia GDP. For instance, rising oil prices can boost export revenues but may also lead to higher inflation and an increase in the cost of imported goods. This slide illustrates the correlation between oil prices and GDP annual growth of Indonesia. Oil price increase correlate with inflation, impacting the cost of living and consumer purchasing power. Sectoral impacts include higher costs in agriculture, manufacturing, and transportation. Inflation is an indicator of economic growth within a country since it represents the actual economic condition of a country. A rise oil prices generally resulted in an increase in inflation with a larger deviation, whereas a fall in oil price would result in a smaller deviation inflation rate. Notable oil price peaks occurred during global crises in 1973, 1979, and 208. Fluctuating oil prices impact transportation and production costs, driving inflation. It peaked during the Asian financial crisis in 1998 until 1999, growing at a pace of 58.9%. The empirical findings showed that the rate of inflation in the Indonesian economy was significantly impacted by the oil price in an asymmetric manner. Rising oil price can lead to general increase in costs across the economy, contributing to overall inflation. This condition will lead to higher production costs, transportation, and even higher wages. Therefore, low and stable inflation is an important prerequisite for economic growth as it will have a sustainable impact. Oil price increases correlate with inflation, impacting the cost of living and consumer purchasing power. Sectors such as agriculture use higher fuel prices that could increase costs of farming, which can lead to higher price for foods product. The other consumers goods like plastic to synthetic fabric, which are derived from petroleum, will experience the rise of these inputs leads to higher retail prices. And other sectors like service business that involve significant transportation like airlines, logistic companies may raise their price in response to higher fuel costs, correlating with the increase in the cost of living due to the higher prices for goods and services. Workers may demand higher wages. Studies show fluctuating oil price affect growth, affect GDP growth, inflation, and poverty. Go et al. 2020 found that the GDP growth rate was found to be negative and significantly associated with the producer price index, which indicates that a growing GDP rate associated with high productivity and efficiency levels has a corrective effect on the inflation rate in Indonesia. Indonesia trade and balance is heavily influenced by oil export and import. When oil prices are high, export revenues increase, improving the trade balance. Conversely, lower oil prices can reduce export revenues, affecting the overall balance of payments. Here we can see the trends in Indonesia trade balance and how it aligns with fluctuation in oil prices. Higher oil price affects stock market sectors like agriculture, mining, and financial industry. To mitigate the impact of oil price fluctuation, the Indonesia government has implemented various policy measures in response to volatile oil prices. The Indonesia government has implemented subsidies to protect society from real income losses, particularly among the poor. Subsidies are given to producers with the aim of increasing the amount of production or increasing the competitiveness of their production. while subsidies are given to consumers with the aim of increasing consumer purchasing power. But it is important to implement effective management, and targeted subsidies are crucial for economic stability. Based on my explanation before, for overcome or minimize the impact of the oil prices, here are some suggestions that we can do. Are there are The first, invest in renewable energy resources and domestic oil production, and then implement energy conservation programs and promote efficient energy use, and then optimize fuel subsidies for short-term relief while ensuring long-term sustainability. Control and monitor the impact of oil countries, especially on inflation, encourage non-oil export. In conclusion, global oil price fluctuation have far-reaching effect on Indonesia economy, impacting everything from economic growth and threat to government revenue and socio-economic condition. Managing this fluctuation requires robust policy and strategic planning. By diversifying the economy and investing in renewable energy, Indonesia can build resilience against future oil price volatility. Here, my reference, it is consists of 20 reference. Okay, I think this is enough. Thank you. This is my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.